okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cherish Coco. In today's video I'll be cooking fried rice and I'm cooking for 20 people, so let's dive right into the video. So guys, in here I have a vegetable oil in my pot already hot, and I'm adding some onions into it and I'm going to give it a stir. After that, I'll be adding some curry and thyme into the onion in order to infuse it inside before adding other ingredients. I've already diced all my ingredients. I'll be using carrots, vegetables and so on. So in case you want to see all the ingredients I use in this video, kindly check the description box below. Thank you so much. So I'm adding my carrot in here and I'm adding some green beans, already diced green beans, and some mixed vegetables. Then I'm going to be adding some liver into it, and then I'll go ahead and give it a stir to combine the ingredients before adding my Maggi cubes. So guys, I've already parboiled my rice with some chicken stock, and I added some Maggi, salt and chili into the stock, and I've parboiled the rice. So do not let the rice to get over soft, okay? Just leave it at medium size because I'm still going to preheat it in the veggies. Alright, so I'll go ahead and stir the mixed veggie and add some Maggi cubes into it. I'm using 6 cubes of Maggi and I'll be squeezing it inside the veggies, and I'm also going to be adding some salt to it to taste. So I would advise to put some salt and taste it before you add more salt into it, because you wouldn't want to put excess sauce in your veggies. So I'm going to go ahead and stir it together to combine the ingredients and leave it to fry for some minutes before adding the rice into it. Alright guys, so I'm done with the veggies. I'm going to go ahead and check the rice in the pot to see if the rice is soft enough. So I wouldn't want a craggy rice or a mashed rice, so I think I've gotten a perfect one. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put the rice in the big bowl because I do not have a bigger pot. If not, I would have poured the rice and the veggies together in the pot that I'll be using. So because I'm using these 2 medium pots, I'll be using another bowl to pour in the rice and the veggies in order to mix together before pouring it in the pot. I'm also going to be adding some red bell pepper and some green bell pepper for a taste. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and stir it together because I wouldn't want them to get soft. So I'll stir it for some minutes and turn off the heat. Then I'll go straight ahead and pour in the rice and the veggies together in the bowl. I'm going to add some rice into the bowl and add some veggies to it. I'll repeat the process until the rice is done, and I'm going to go ahead and give them a stir together. Then I will later pour in the rice into the pot. So guys, I'll be mixing the rice together to combine the veggies together with the rice. After that, I'll be pouring the rice back into the pot. Then I'll be adding some butter into the rice and sprinkle some salt on it because the salt wasn't enough. Then I'll stir it together and cover it for some minutes. Then I'll be adding my chicken and my beef to it. ready, and I have some meat and chicken on it. Alright, so in case you're using beef for your fried rice, please do not use the beef water. Okay, it's not going to give you the actual color of fried rice you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon on my next video. Bye.